Hey friends. Okay, this is going to be a little different for all of our classes, so bear with me. I'm going to try to make sure it focuses for us. If you look in Google Classroom, there's going to be two things you're going to look up. The first is like a post-it assignment, and actually I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like in Google Classroom. I can do that here. I'll have to do it on my computer. Hold on. Okay, so if you look at our stream, you're going to see our assignment. So if you click on our assignment, sorry, that's not the view you'll get. You'll get the instructions, okay? I hope everyone can see that decently well on here. I don't have a better way of like making it focus. Okay, so you'll see it's got your directions on here. This is for NTI day 1 and day 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this first document. When you pull that document up, it's going to have your reading in there. It says open reading here, and then the actual assignment. Don't open it up in that document. Open it up here. If you open it up here on the assignment part, this is your copy. So you're going to be able to work directly into that. So you're going to click on this and open your assignment. It's got the link to your reading right here. So the instructions for it says NTI day 1 and 2. Monday and Tuesday, read the 3 articles that are in your packet. This is your readings in here, so you don't have to worry about that. You are to annotate each article with at least 10 annotations. All that's going to be is when you go into your document, you're going to comment on that section. Does that make sense? If you don't understand what I mean by that, let me know, and I will do another screencastify to show you how to make a comment on your document, which I'll probably go ahead and do just in case. So go in here, annotate with at least 10 annotations. Once you've annotated, you'll need to go in and complete this graphic organizer. So this is a graphic organizer for source 1, source 3, source 2, 3, and 4. So make sure that you complete all of those. This might take you like an hour to do all together, but you should be able to do this within an hour. So that's why I separated it between day 1 and day 2. I would recommend that you do day 1 today, day 2 tomorrow. Source 1, or I would do source 2 and 3. Go ahead and annotate those. Get it ready. I would annotate all your documents if you want to. It would be best to annotate and then do your graphic organizer each source. If that's helpful, I would think that would be the most helpful. So I would literally go in, read source 2, and then fill out the graphic organizer after I annotated source 2. Then I would go in and do source 3. Read source 3, annotate source 3, then go in and do my graphic organizer for it. Finally, I would go in and read source 4, and that's going to be tomorrow. So I would do 2 and 3 today, knock it out, get yourself together, and then you'll be good. If you have any questions while you're doing this, please let me know. The questions that you're going to get on here, it says, what is the author's claim regarding homework? So we're going to be answering in all 3 of your documents. You're going to be looking at, does homework really help students? Is this something that's going to benefit their learning? Each author is either going to say, yes, homework does benefit, or no, homework does not benefit student learning. So you've got to tell me what their thesis statement is. Kind of find that in your article somewhere. Write that thesis statement here. You're going to type directly into the document. Super easy. Then it says, what are 2 of the reasons that authors present that this author presents to support their claim? So just like when we do our graphic organizer and we do our claim, and then we pull out 2 reasons, you should be able to find 2 reasons from your author. So you'll do your claim, 2 reasons, and then what evidence does the author present? What evidence do they give you that supports those reasons or supports those claims? And then finally, we have, what is the overall tone of the article? That's going to be like what we talked about the other day, where it was like Barack Obama's speech felt like it was determination. It was a really good call to action in the speech. So make sure that you are kind of telling me how you're feeling after reading that article. And then finally, it says objective summary. This should be like 3 to 5 sentences. Don't rush that part, okay? If you don't want to do that, that's great. This is for your own well-being, though, to go ahead and do an objective summary. Just kind of keeps you organized, and it's going to help you with the reflection question that I'm going to post tomorrow. So make sure that you look for the reflection question, and that's all I need to know. Okay, thanks.